Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ebony. I'm Erica. And today's video is a DIY video. We haven't done this type of video in a while. It's still a hair video, but it's a type of video that I myself love watching. I find myself getting caught up in watching it, and it's upcycling videos. Basically, you're just repurposing a lot of things that are old and unused, and instead of throwing them away, you're just going to create them into something for another purpose. So yeah, in this video, we're just using random, unused, old things that we find around the house that's in our room, and we're just going to repurpose them for something for our hair. Got 5 things, so keep on watching. So if you have earrings laying around, I know I used to buy cheap earrings all the time when I needed some last minute and then never look at them again. Well, you can use it as hair jewels. I'm pretty sure you've seen girls with either their braids or braided ponytails decked out in something like this, especially for festival season. So before you throw any of your jewelry out, just try them on your braids and they come out super cute. Now y'all know I love headbands, so this one was my favorite. Now any old t-shirt you want to get rid of, just take that bad boy and cut the bottom, then stretch out the fabric to create like a loop, and then lay that into a figure 8. And then after that, you're going to take that loop and flip it on its side, and then you're just going to grab the entire center and let the loops just fall, and then you've got yourself a quick and cute headband. Okay, this one y'all have probably seen before. These are my work socks that I've worn to its ends, so as you can see. Well, any old socks, just cut the toe part of it and then just roll the sock till you have what looks like a donut. And then you're going to place that donut at the end of your ponytail, and you're just going to start tucking your hair underneath and then rolling down at the same time. And if you want it super neat, you may have to take your time with this or do this like 2 or 3 times. But either way, it just comes out really, really cute. Okay, so I feel like we've all been there when we get a run in our pantyhose and we're ready to just toss them. But you can just cut thick strips in them and you have yourself a nice stash of ponytail holders. They don't hold tight like the regular ones, but they are low tension and won't pull on your edges, and they're just kind of good to have for emergencies. Alright, this one is more of a hack, but if y'all have an eyelash curler and bangs, you can do a heatless bump to them. My bangs grew out and I used a side piece of my hair to show you guys, but just turn the eyelash curler up and then lay the hair on top and pull your hair through. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to start squeezing down, and it should do a small bump to the ends. It's easier to see on bangs though, but I don't have short bangs, so this side piece is just the easiest way, but yeah, there you go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. It was a little different. Yeah, just a nice little DIY experiment in a while. Exactly. Yeah, so going back to old school YouTube. Yeah. But yeah, if you use any of these, feel free to DM us on Instagram or send us a little message with a picture showing us how you used your old items and stuff. Because we want to repost to you guys too. We want to start doing that and everything, because a lot of people send us really nice messages on Instagram. So if you do any of these ideas, or if you have other ideas that you can use for your hair or stuff around the house, leave it down below, send a picture, we'll repost it and everything on our Instagram. So yeah, just make sure you subscribe for vlogs that go up on Wednesdays and then hair videos on Sundays. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!